Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The entertainment industry gets ready to go ahead. Restrictions placed on entertainment have been eased following local government Minister Desmond McKenzie's announcement yesterday regarding the phased reopening of the entertainment industry. Minister McKenzie, who advised that small outdoor events like round robins and festivals can be held as of July 21 until July 31, also noted that amusement parks, water attractions and sports bars would also be allowed to temporarily resume operations during that period. Members of the local entertainment fraternity weighed in on the announcement.
Entertainment play a major role in our tourism and our income overall as a country. I feel like we should also still take the necessary precautions just so that the transition into going back to regular events and all can happen in a timely manner if we follow all the guidelines and rules that is set in place. But I'm really excited. It's a step closer to going back to normal.
I'm happy for the people in the industry and happy for the patrons, but also I would like to see us musicians going back on the road and go on with a little touring, yeah. But we have to be safe.
I don't believe that the freedoms that have been provided are sufficient enough for the industry to truly operate at a level that is worthwhile. No, from a more humble point of view, it is, great news to hear that there is an option. However, it's certainly less than favorable.
Additionally, restrictions indicate that approved events must not have more than 250 patrons who are expected to practice social distancing, continue wearing their masks, and sanitize. Now, Daddy One declares one Bro God. Dancehall artist Daddy One has released his debut EP dubbed One Bro God. The 6-track compilation released via BP Records includes the single Rich, as well as tracks like Our Time and Live Life to the Fullest. The Montego Bay native also released a 2-part documentary titled Who is Daddy One, which chronicles the custom DJ's childhood, community life, artistry, and his creative process in making music. Daddy One rose to prominence last year with the release of Anthem, which has amassed over 4 million views on YouTube. Now, the Jamaica Festival Song Competition goes live this Sunday. The contestants in the 2020 Jamaica Festival Song Competition will perform live on Sunday at 8 o'clock right here on TVJ. The top 10 finalists, who will each be assigned a voting number, will perform a song of their choice and their festival song. The winner will be announced at a live results show on June 26. Speaking with E-Prime, Lenford Salmon shared details on what viewers can expect this Sunday.
We have 10 excellent artists, a wonderful mix of established artists and exciting emerging artists, of course, with 10 excellent songs.
This year's competition includes an impressive lineup of established and upcoming talents, including reggae icons Buju Banton, Freddie McGregor, and Toots and the Maytals, who are all committed to represent Jamaica. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.